Hey guys, it's B4Sid1654 here.
And Helios with the
And
dog.
Helios with our doggy.
Show you
I
in
see
a
our
minute.
doggy.
No, not yet.
You want to let us see the
In
doggy?
a minute.
Okay. Well, we're doing a Bakugan review, and it's of a very special Bakugan. I really, really love this one. So, what's it called? Okay. Well, he is the best in the world. I mean, he's my star. He's awesome.
Okay, Chico.
Well, this is the Bakugan. Ready? Hold on. Ready? There he is! Alpha Hydronoid. He is sickeningly awesome.
Now you want to see Chico?
Yeah. I mean, I love him. He's awesomeness. I can't. There's no way of. I'm new with webcam.
Let's see Chico.
But there's no way of disclaiming that he's not cool. I mean, you cannot admit he's not cool. I know he's vintage, but I don't have him to understand. Alright, just a quick peek of our doggy.
It's our dog, Chico.
He's a Chihuahua.
He's 500G. I just joke. This is Chico.
He's a Chihuahua.
He's so cute.
Alright, do that.
I know he looks like that.
So yeah, Alpha Hydronoid. Rockingly awesomeness. I mean, there's nothing bad about him.
Guys, say goodbye to Chico. Because I'm bringing him downstairs.
Bye, Chico.
Bye, Chico.
So yeah, I mean, seriously, sorry about the interruptions of the dog. But more reviews on Bakugan coming soon. I mean, I can review them. It's just hard to. I'm new at reviewing stuff, but so yeah. So yeah, this is just a 360 spinning room. I like his back. So yeah. And I will make a video on saying how I'm spinning him. I mean, he'll always win the card. Never. But still, alright. This is B4Sid1654. Not signing up yet. I have 4 reviews coming soon. They'll be on Bakugan. I'll do a Christmas special for Bakugan. I'll do a Christmas special on Bakugan and with my Bakugan. And I'm gonna make a Halloween video. Maybe. No. I'm just gonna make a Christmas morning video. Christmas Eve and Christmas morning video. Alright, well, I'll see you guys, and this is B4Sid1654.
And Helios,
And Helios.